away and leave her, and she was just acting up when a bunch of guys was into the vehicle. So we don't know what was the motive, why so much guy was in the vehicle, right? But we was all there to witness that. Next thing I want to say to everybody, what I saw for myself and what I witnessed with my 2 eyes of Rosealee, I'm going to say tonight and clarify this, because what you have done and what you do and what you said was so wrong.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute the banner beating it can see. Pan on the screen. I was right once again, because yesterday we said 2 can play that games. People putting in the comment section, where do you think about Jakes doing a big interview now that you said that Rosealee had did one with Dancehall Queen Spice called the Soft Girl Error. You see me say, I know Jakes is on a big interview. Basically, well, as you can hear, the eyewitness say, yeah, this can be used in a court against her, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, a lot of allegations is out here spilling, you know, my people. As you know, them said Jakes did the unthinkable thing to Rosealee sister. No, Jakes is out here saying she's doing some criminal things herself. You know what I mean? So let's hear what go on, what had to go on, and proceed with the next.
All right, I'm good. Yeah, man. It's my life, yeah. It's my life. Yeah, I eat this, man.
Well, are you mute me.
Oh, friendly.
Mute my side.
Oh.
Alright, so you can talk on me.
Yeah. Top of the screen, share my life, man. I'm me and Jakes there, man. We have some things to talk about. Yes, Jakes.
Me and them, Rosealee said she now go to and discuss. But last time she called me my wife, but she had some things that we need to clear up.
We have a clear them.
Like, when she come the other day,
Yeah.
she forgot somebody have company when she come the other day.
Yeah, I was at CVU at the time when she came, and I'm a witness. And some things that she said and did was so wrong. And I was have so much respect for her, and I lost those respect for her to what I witnessed. So folks, Rosealee is not telling the truth. She's lying, and she's keeping lying because I witnessed it. And I'm going to explain what I see and what I saw, and to know that she's on live right now and telling a bag of lie on Jakes. And it's so wrong. You know, they should work together. So, we have some things to discuss.
And me said a police vehicle passing at the video.
No.
When I'm not fan on the police or whatever, so I lie, me I tell you, say, she not come and see you with about 3 to 4 man. Me said 3 to 4 man.
That is correct.
See, she exaggerated and said 6 and 10 man. That's exaggeration.
Yeah.
Me said 3 to 4 man. So me look and see.
And that is correct. I was there, and I want to see the BMW pull up. And I was there to unite with Jakes, having a great time, having a drink, and glad to see Jakes show me the house and where the house is right now. I'm so proud of him. So happy when I see the little small space and where the house almost finishes, just the roof, is just the decking to be done, right? And the house looks so big to the space where it ain't. You know what I mean? And I was so happy. I was like, Jakes, man, the holy mama, you know. So Rosealee came, and she came in this BMW that she owned, and of course there was a couple of guys in the BMW. And then when she came out, Jakes was very close to his daughter at the time. And while she come, she just pull out a knife right away. The guy don't say nothing to her. She just get angry with the guy, just start to create scene. Jakes don't even talk to her, don't even say nothing to her. He walk away and leave her, and she was just acting up. When a bunch of guys was into the vehicle, so we don't know what was the motive, why so much guy was in the vehicle, right? But we was all there to witness that. Next thing I want to say to everybody, what I saw for myself and what I witnessed with my 2 eyes of Rosealee, I'm going to say tonight and clarify this, because what you have done and what you do and what you said was so wrong. Okay, so we're going to get there. So we're going to just take our time. We're just having Sunday dinner with the great big man, Mr. Jakes himself, and you don't know that now.
Yeah, sure. You tell them not one of the accolades, no, because this is I am manipulative. I am manipulative. And I know that you're alone out there.
No, more people was there.
Whatever people there out there.
But I witness, I see what, I'm a witness, I was there.
But we know, say,
Yeah.
every time I have a visitor, like last time, Cutterline come over. Last time Cutterline come over, I see him thing. You understand? No, not here. A big embarrass someone embarrass me.
It was
And she do it in front of my daughter.
Yeah.
She do it in front of Shanta.
Yeah.
Pop out her knife in front of Shanta. Shanta push me.
Yeah.
When me walk with, come across the road, this woman a guy run with Shanta in front of her.
Make me say that, I wouldn't say.
Move in front of one of your father.
Father, yeah, that's what you said. Yeah, I witnessed that. Yeah. So if you want back your kids, you're only pretending, you're only lying to the media, you're only lying to your people, your fans. You don't want back these kids. You're crazy, you're sick, and you need to stop. And today we're going to stop you. As a witness, we are going to stop you today, Rosealee, because you're not making no sense of what you're doing. You should join with Jakes. The bottom line for what you're going on with, you should have joined with Jakes, help him to finish the home for both parents, for all the kids. Let them happy.
I know for we have to put them.
After you put them, you and Jakes now for dead. We're not here to bring it down, but what I saw, what I witnessed, and Rosealee, you can't tell no lies, I never did it. You know my Benz, you know the GLE, you know I was there. So anybody who screenshot this is no lie, I was there. So Rosealee can't tell a lie with me witness. She pop out the knife on Jakes when Jakes was humble, right? And she started to blaze. Then her little daughter was coming to her, and then she said out of her mouth, "Move from yourself and go by your father." That is what I heard. And I'm like, what? Who should talk to her daughter like that? Oh. So nobody will never, because nobody was videoing, because I didn't go there to videoing Jakes or lights or video. I go to see the man of the day. The man were doing well for himself by us supporting him. And just for him kids them. The kids are involved, man. So he just wanted a home. He just wanted a nice home for his kids. And done with all this foolishness. So the guy can focus on his life. Jakes either dinner, man. Don't get it. It's alright, man. Me know. I was there, Jakes. And a lot of people are lying. There's a lot of people, they don't understand. I was there. You're a good youth, Jakes. And everybody see it. Everybody see it. You're not a troublemaker. You're very humble youth. You just want to focus on house. Get this thing done. And focus on yourself now. What you want to do. For as long as the kids are comfortable and them have their own room now, I'm pretty sure you're gonna focus on yourself, Jakes. Yeah.
We move forward. We're not gonna focus on the body and hold them a date for hold them not date.
Right.
I told them I have to live for it. Two of them I have to push forward for. You understand? Them have to come past the rest, not yet.
I think Rosealee is. Rosealee, I don't want to talk to you right now. I don't want to, I think Rosealee. I think she, yeah. You know her. And Rosealee, it's a Rose. That's her. Rosealee, you know you're lying. And not you're not lying to you. You can't tell nobody that I was not there. You see my vehicle. And the word what you said in front of your daughter, that eat the cake for me. Because I thought this screen record is not so true. A lot of people, because you don't witness it, you're not there. So you can't have a proof. But I have a proof on you, Rosealee. Right? And you're going to need to stop. Stop. Okay? For what you said in front of your daughter, how you treat her, and stuff, go back me here when you said, Rosealee. And then, yes, there were some guys in their vehicle. Right? So we don't know whether, like, we don't know what's the position, but thank God nothing didn't happen. Jakes was have a cool vibes, and we was there to support Jakes, and Jakes was cool, and you know, and then you leave, cause me don't know, but you leave, right? You jump in the vehicle, you drive off, and then before you leave, the next thing that I saw what you do, I don't know if you need anything for evidence. But I saw when you, before you leave, you take out your phone and you have it in the ear like this. If nobody can see it, you know, you have your phone. But they are save you. Oh, them say we can't come and save you. Oh, I want me there now. I want me there now. And this is that go on. And I'm like, what? Rosealee, you look clout. I thought you're the queen for TikTok. You don't need to do that to get no clout. What you need to do is take your personal life off of social media and work with your baby father and your kids them to get better. Help him finish the house. Even in the living room, you can still live and you don't have to pay no rent. Save your money. You're out there creating all type of nonsense. I don't know what's wrong with you. I have so much love and respect for you. And what I witnessed, I have to tell the truth. I was there, Rosealee, and you know that you can't lie on me.
So that, yeah.
Talk to me.
What's your kind of fun?
I don't know.
You sure you chat. I have a good example of obsession and a person who just don't know when to stop. Or hold your own. Because you depend on your life attack. She's on live presently right now talking. Me clip my life with Natia, because we here talk about say one life, I want a life, I want a lie. That me really come to clear up, because when me and Natia come really about because reason over dinner, you know. I really feel get some help towards the building, finishing up the building. You understand? But the man scroll through the app and say, but why Rosealee tell these lies? Because when he did it, but she say, yo, she never this and she never that. Because, you mean, you come with gun blazing, knife and man in a vehicle. Nobody not tell a lie for you, bro. You see it? I never see another argument, but I never try to another argument either. You come see me and with Shanta, because Shanta they have an issue over the yard, so I fix it. Same time you drive on and that you do. So go like you want. You understand? You need to do that. Now, after you make the whole heap of bad talk the man, the evil talk them, yeah, blackout, and no, continue bad talk them. You understand?
I did the soda pop dance, and now you want me to do the gnarly dance? Do you want me to shake my head?
Because anything I say, can use against you in a court. You understand? And me can say the same thing on that here saying.
There's two things I want. Jesus Christ. Rosealee don't call me like this, you know. Rosealee never called me like this. But it's the truth. The truth must be told. And we have two kids that are involved in our life.
And she have your number before me.
I shall, right.
And she never
I know
cried.
Rosealee before you.
Exactly.
I know Rosealee before you, sir. And that is why I have a lot of respect for Rosealee. I did have a lot of respect for her. But she lose that respect when I was Seaview Garden the Friday when she came. And when she came, it was no good. It was a bad environment, but you did good. You walk away and you come by my side. And when you was there with me, Rosealee know my vehicle. She knows me. She create a scene and then she leave with some guys. There's a couple guys in the vehicle. It can be more than 4 or 5 guys, 3 guys. So it's something like that. And that was not a good scene. Bringing people into film area, right? And in community. It's not a good move that you're making, Rosealee. That is like you're looking for something else. And we don't want that. We want peace between you and your baby father. So nobody come in between. Right now, I don't even want to be in between you guys. What I want to do is to mend the two of you to work together for 2 beautiful kids that I'm meeting. I met them now for the first time in my life. I met them and they are so smart, they are so nice, they talk to me nice, they respect me, and they're beautiful kids. So let me fix 2 person that broken and just made it back with their kids. That is what we are trying to do here, Rosealee. Okay? There's a house to be done and he's going to need some support to finish off, right? And to get things going. So really and truly, Rosealee, you need to stop and give this guy a break. Let him get to what he's doing, to get it done for the kids. With your drama, we see your drama, we see your play out, we see things that really work out with you and your new boyfriend. We see a lot of things. So do your thing, Rosealee. I'm not here to take it to talk about you and your new boyfriend. We're not business. We're not business. We are here to talk about the kids and where this guy reached with his house. And it could be your house too, if you do the right thing.
No, she can't do the right thing again that year. She not can do the right thing again. The best thing she can do is for her pick with them. You understand? Yeah, man, I'm not going around now. I'm not tell her no lie. I'm not give her no hopes in my head. Understand? Once she hears that she can even get over it from now and start move towards her baby them, the 2 people, the 2 old men.
And I agree. And it's all about for the kids then, man. It's the kids.
You can't go like say, you want just to me and your left are your boyfriend now an argument. You totally forget where you do them and just get cuckoo. Let's get cuckoo on the internet and just chat piece shit and come in with a bag of story when they make no sense. You have to stop, Rosealee. You need to stop, and you need to stop today. You need to stop today. Okay? You're going to have to stop. Because you don't think these government people are watching you. You say one point you say you want back your kids. Then the next point you go to war with this guy with a knife, then running your daughter. Your daughter came into you. I was there and I saw your daughter coming towards you into the yard that you usually live. And you run your daughter and said, move from here and go to your father. And I was like shocked. Because it was on the media was saying that government should give you back your child. I'm only speaking truth. So you need to stop. Rosealee, you need to stop and you need to get some help, man. Get some help, man. You need some real, you need some help, man. Mentally help. Physical and mentally help, girl. People love you, Rosealee. I did love you. And I never speak out against you like this. But I never speak out against you. Like disgraceful. Exactly, I don't really speak out that speak.
Yeah, I'm not speak out against you. Disrespectful.
Yeah,
but
talk.
Yeah.
Shout out what you see.
I want to see.
Because I want me in front of you,
Yes.
And now nobody are telling me.
I want to see. She know I was there, so she can't lie about me never did it. She can't tell the internet that she didn't see my vehicle. And I was there when she came there with the guys in the vehicle. And she just came out with a knife and pop it out right away. And you walk away and be the bigger man. So right now, I think government are watching you and they want to give you the kids them. And all Rosealee have to do is do that little co-parents thing or that little counseling. Just do that little counseling with you and the kids them. And I think everything can mend. I think everything can go back, but don't have it there. Because I know you're done with Rosealee, and I know Rosealee is done with you. So just work on the kids then. And if she want to come back, right now Rosealee have to pay rent, but she don't have to pay rent. All those rent money could have gone at the building for finish. For her kids then.
Well, that time I pray she's done with me to blood. Big man. So everybody knows. I pray
Yeah, don't curse. Don't steal.
I pray she done with me.
You think she was done with you?
No, she need for the...
But she miss your I think the sex when you give her drive, you really sex her so good. You really fuck Rosealee so good. You really give her some good. Come on, understand. I don't understand you. I have to ask you, Jake. I have to ask. I don't know what the bedroom thing, but do you give Rosealee all these good loving and sexy? Do you drive her up the wall like she scream and then she can't get back that, and that is why she is so obsessed with you?
Then if I tell her this man, so she can't fire the rifle no more. I understand. I two and shot all on this with you. You see?
Yeah.
So look one and matic and all them things. You talk about sexual activities to them.
Yeah. One. Yeah, then you have. All right, TikTok. We're not going to talk about it. TikTok not easy. Yeah,
she got to Anmatic. She used to rifle, you know? Like what she can hold on funny with two hands. So I feel like that's a bad.
Well, I think if you guys put the kids first for now, because you guys need to work on the kids. And what Rosealee is doing here now, it's only getting worse, and she needs to stop. She needs to stop.
Because it's going to reach one place where she don't want it. Understand? Legally. And yeah, it's going to reach one place where she don't want it legally because, you know, tarnish somebody, you don't have the proof. And it's defamation of character.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, as I said in the beginning and I say at the end, two can play that game, but who will win? Certainly not the children, because these parents are putting their freedom at risk. You see what I say? And as Jake said in the beginning, the other day, that Andrew holding him to feel safe in our neighborhood. That's why I said don't build a house and I save you. Because Rosa got burned down that, because you know that's what you love the most, you know, and not her. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, we're not going longer, this not longer, because we have to put up Rosealee part. You see what I say? And we're boom by a news channel. So in the meantime, just subscribe to all of my platforms and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.